fantastic. Grill looks great. Second headlight looks very good. Hood looks fantastic. Just a little bit of dirt there, but no major chips, scratches, dents, or dings on the hood as well. Front fender here, sorry about the wind. Front fender, no scratches, dents, or dings. Front wheel looks fantastic, no major curb rash. 2 front tires will be replaced here shortly. Side view mirror looks fantastic. Driver door looks great, no scratches, dents, or dings. Rear door, no scratches, dents, or dings. Rear wheel, no curb rash. Rear tires are probably at about 80% on the rear. Rear quarter panel looks fantastic. Rear bumper looks great. No major flaws there. You got a tiny little scuff here and here. Nothing major. Tail lights look fantastic. Deck lid looks great. Second tail light looks fantastic. Do I have the key? Of course, I probably put it inside. Let's open that up for you real quick. Okay, got some original floor mats in there. Looks like the all-weather mats. Looks fantastic. Rear quarter panel on the passenger side looks great. No scratches, dents, or dings. Rear wheel looks fantastic as well. Rear door looks great. No scratches, dents, or dings. Passenger door looks fantastic as well. Front fender looks excellent. No scratches, dents, or dings. Front wheel looks excellent on the passenger side as well. You got a tiny little scuff here. That's about it. Glass looks perfect. No chips, no stars, no bursts, no cracks. Sunroof looks great. Roof looks all fantastic. Now we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna start with the driver door. Driver door looks real good. All the buttons are in excellent shape. Wood grain is in excellent condition as well. Entry area looks fantastic. Driver's seat, almost no wear whatsoever. Looks fantastic. It does have the sport seat, so that little part right there comes forward. Dashboard looks fantastic. Steering wheel looks fantastic. All the buttons are in excellent condition. Passenger seat looks excellent. Does have the Harman Kardon stereo system. You can see the speaker right there. Headliner's in excellent condition. It's got the rear sunshade. Rear seats look fantastic as well. We're going to start this up. Other than needing some gas, there's no warning lights on the dash. There is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell. I don't know if you can see the heads-up display. You cannot, but it does have heads-up display. Very cool. Everything works fantastic in this car. Books. We're going to take a look underneath the hood real quick. And there you go, super clean, super quiet, twin turbo, just beautiful. I love these cars. All right, well there you go. Good luck to you.